3 books that will build your growth mindset and discipline. Struggling with discipline? Can stay consistent? These 3 books change the way I think and build habits and overcome obstacles, and they can do the same for you. Number 1, Atomic Habits by James Clear. So success is not about a motivation, it's about a system. So we need to build a system. Atomic Habits teaches us in the small thing. So the daily actions lead to massive long-term results. And James Clear says that you don't need to raise the level of your goals. So patasan mong goals. Dili patasan mong goals. But you fall to the level of your system. So meaning kasi sa mga gipang buhat nimo sa system na imong pagabuhaton. Like mamata kag sayo sa buntag 5 AM, you alarm. After that, you stretching or meditation early in the morning, and even to pray. That's the habit that I build. After that, stretching and go to the workout or running. So there's a 3 takeaways for this habit. Make it habits easy and obvious and rewarding. So make it easy, dili siya lisod, and make it rewarding for you. And 2 is focus on identity-based habits. So become the person who naturally do or does the right thing. 3 is 1% sa daily improvement and equals to massive growth over time. So 1% is really important. Remember that 1%. And it could give growth impact. The second one is The Obstacle is the Way. The Obstacle is the Way by Ryan Holiday. So most people avoid obstacles, and even kita, we are not exempted. Discomfort dito. So but what if obstacles are actually the way forward? This book teaches us the ancient philosophy of stoicism. Every challenge is an opportunity for us to grow, to our personal development, to ourselves, growth mindset, lifestyles. Here's the takeaways that learn in The Obstacle is the Way. Problems aren't roadblocks. So ang problema dili na siya makaharang sa tuwa. They are stepping stones to step out sa tong comfort zone. Katdua is you can't control everything, but you can control how you respond.